Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm unboxing these PCB prototypes from our friends over at Keebio. This is a new big switch PCB that is coming soon. I will be giving one of these away in the coming weeks. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can catch the video on details on how to enter the giveaway. But in the meantime, let's hop over here to the product page. So this new PCB is the BAMFK or the BAMFK-1 big switch PCB. You may be wondering what BAMF stands for.
That's a big ass motherfucking keyboard.
Where did that come from?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, moving on. So this PCB is going to be sold in a kit that includes 2 horizontal rotary encoders. It will be $29.99 US. The case that is still being determined and worked on will be $39.99 USD. The PCB, like I said, will include the 2 rotary encoders. It has VIA and QMK support. It's compatible with the big switch, of course. It has a USB-C port built in. You don't need a microcontroller. It has 8 upwards facing LEDs and 8 downwards facing LEDs. It also has support for a piezo speaker and breakout pins for additional LEDs in case 16 aren't enough for you. So without any further ado, I've been dying to get into this box since it arrived last week. And let's see what we have here. Oh, we got a Keebio sticker, which I will include in the giveaway. One of the PCB rulers, unit rulers. So we've got our 4 horizontal encoders here. We've got our 2 PCBs here. Let's take a peek at these guys. Okay, so these are prototype PCBs. So they are a little dirty. I'll clean them up with some flux cleaner after we build them out and try them out. These are the horizontal rotary encoders. So these rotary encoders will be mounted here. Like so. If I can get them to pop in to show you. So there's going to be 2 rotary encoders that will stick out from the opposite side of your USB-C port. Let's plug it in and see what these LEDs look like. Oof, that is bright. So you've got LEDs on the top as well as LEDs on the bottom. This is going to be game changer in the big switch world. If you have a big switch already, you're likely going to want to pick one of these up and swap out your PCBs. You don't need a micro controller like a Elite C or Pro Micro. My current big switch build required a Pro Micro. Hopefully I can figure out a way to fit them in this case until Keebio releases their cases. But hey, I think these are pretty sweet. As far as a release date, that is still being worked out. I was told it will likely be within the next 2 to 3 months. So hopefully, let's see, what is it? It's March now. Hopefully we'll have them around the end of April. If not, by the middle of the year. I think this is going to be a fun build, and I'm looking forward to giving one of these away. Thanks out again to Keebio for sending me these early. If you haven't made a purchase at Keebio before, please go and check them out. Their website is keeb.io. That's Keebio. And if you do happen to make a purchase, as you can see down that way, if you use the promo code Kirball, you will get 5% at checkout. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Good night.